Are you tired of seeing premium features locked in CapCut every time you edit a video? If you are a content creator, a business owner, freelancer, social media manager, or someone who creates videos for your brand, then this video is for you. At the time of making this video, the official CapCut Pro subscription cost around $20 per month, which is roughly around 28,000 naira. If you are just getting started, that can be quite expensive. The good news is that I currently have access to a CapCut Pro package for just $1 with lifetime access. That's about 1,300 naira. With CapCut Pro, you will unlock premium effects, transitions, AI editing tools, auto captions, background remover, premium templates, cloud storage, and many other powerful features that can help you create professionally quality video much faster. So if you are interested in this package, simply click on the link in the description of this video or the link in the pinned comment of this video to get your package now.